a testament to the Russo-Ottoman War, unveiling the secrets of a Russian soldier's final resting place. In the tranquil town of Ardahan, Turkey, a remarkable historical find has come to light. The remarkably preserved remains of a Russian soldier from the 19th century. These skeletal remains, embellished with a Russian Orthodox cross, are thought to belong to an army captain who participated in the Russo-Ottoman War of 1877 to 78. This surprising revelation has sparked considerable interest among historians and researchers, offering new insights into a significant era of the region's complex history. The soldier's bones, still partially surrounded by fragments of a military uniform and boots, were discovered in the Karagol neighborhood of Ardahan province, a territory overtaken by Russian forces in May 1877 during the conflict. Distinctive insignia on his attire, including 3 stars alongside the number 20, have provided invaluable clues about his identity and military standing. Historians and archaeologists have observed that the soldier was laid to rest following Christian customs, with few artifacts accompanying him in the grave, aside from his remains and clothing. This detail highlights the cultural and religious intricacies that shape the dynamics of the war.